So because I have cleaned a bit this one and how we are styling things, let's continue. Now you can see we have the platform here, which we had already said it is here. Platform, this is where it's going to be displayed. So the platform here is if the platform.os, we have the platform.operating system, it is on WAMP and strictly on WAMP, then the WAMP swiper should be like this. Models, we did model somewhere, and model, we have the list, which first is pagination, has got a lot of things there. That's why we are getting it as a list. Then we have slide preview. So slide preview means just it is a one, right? Meaning the current. Pagination, it is clickable. So you can click that button of the pagination and it brings some behavior or to change from current to next. On swiper, this is where the tire meets the road now. On sweeper, it is saying when you are on sweeper, you can say now you do sweeper and you call. That is another function which has got a parameter for sweeper, which is also an arrow function having name sweeper. And only when you do sweeper ref, you refer to sweeper.current, the current one, the current pagination, which is 1, 2, 3, whichever the current you are in, that is now the sweeper. You have to sweep, okay? And then on slide change, you can slide to change, and also you can click to change because it's clickable. What will happen is you will set the current index to active one, because this active we declared it long ago.